tropical theme. No, more like mermaid theme. I don't know, whatever, however you want to thinking of, like. Okay, close this. And I'm gonna do no white top coat on the top. Floating technique, so which is the best because then you don't pull off your condensed glue gel that you just applied on. And we are going to do okay, switch to this one. I have that one right there. Can I get the rose gold beads? I'm using this. The reason I picked this because it was kind of combination of this super cute Plumeria. Sorry. Off camera. Oh my god, there's so much cute things to do with. Okay. So instead of traditionals, we're gonna do like a mermaid and stuff. I am going to using, we have a green in there. We also have a pink. So I need to move it here. Can you get me this more pink lighter? Right here. And then we have a green. My green right here. Sorry everyone, I have to have it on my side right here because it's off totally. It's had a little bit pink, yellow, green. I'm gonna use this one. Dragon scale. I'm so obsessed with this. This dragon scale. So easy to work with. We need some color on this one. Some colors over here. Another starfish. So gorgeous. What am I supposed to do? Huh? Hold on. I am going to do, instead of that, I'm gonna take this beautiful starfish off. Gonna get my cute little frame. Said, how can I forget that cute little frames and that the little, so beautiful. Nope, not yet. Can be done yet. Instagram give us another 60 minutes, so we're gonna blink the heck out of this. I'm so excited with all of you. Okay, so now, when is the best time to put all the beads? It's the best to place them right between each other. And is that Instagram? Facebook is out. The phone is dead. Sorry, just like.
What was that?
Can you talk to it so I can see Facebook if the Facebook have questions? You see I'm putting the beads right between the crystals. And here's the thing. You can do this cute shape right in the center for your information if you prefer. Either way, it looks good. Everyone. I can go on and on and on and on. Hold on. I need to talk to my ladies. Don't lean on it. If you're happy with this, I use some of that, the dragon scale. There you go. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this. Okay, I'm so happy with them, but flowers? Oh, put I don't care. The flower's supposed to be like that. Just kidding. It's supposed to be hidden there. That's the keys. Looks super cute. Okay. You happy with this? Can I key it now? Oh, 1 second. One more. What do I miss? I probably miss a pink one. Right there. Wait. Just adjusting them. Okay, great. So I'm happy with this. I'm gonna key this on for 60 seconds.